And
Wow.
if acuity changes, the priority changes.
Mm.
So in real time, nurses are able to manage and prioritize their times. I wish I had something like that when I was a nurse, right? So now you just show up and be the nurse and
Right.
let the administrative part. Well, the good thing is that you get to edit this too. I know we always want control. So we
Right.
made sure that nurses can go in and make it and make it their own, edit their notes, add onto it. And the beauty about this whole thing is that, especially for a piece for long-term care, this is applicable in all settings, by the way. So any nurse can use that across board, and it's not just US, it's global. And
Okay.
then we added features for support. So there's going to be a mentorship community in the app. So you can set up your mentorship, right? So that you can be able to be mentored all through. We also included self-care features because we know nurses stress on the job. So we
Hmm.
have a reflective journal. And as you reflect on your journal, there's an AI emotional support person in there that
Wow.
takes on your emotions and actually kind of encourages you. And
Right.
then we also have a nursing coaching tool. So if you're a new grad, or even if you are not familiar with the medication, not only can you look it up, but if you wanted, say, suggestions or interventions for your care plan, you can actually input that. Any nursing process and we have really trained it on the nursing process using the critical judgment model and all of those ideas, the nursing process models. It's able to help with some things that you are not really sure about.